Is VARC your weak spot? Then you are not alone. There are a lot of people who are facing the same problem. In today's session, we are talking about 3 very important reasons as to why people falter in VARC. What are those 3 reasons? That is something which we are going to talk about, and these 3 reasons can certainly help you improve in VARC in just 30 days if you follow this plan properly. दिस इज योर फ्रेंड एंड गाइड सुधांशु कैट 99.7 क्वांट्स 100 आई एम लखनऊ, और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं उन लोगों के बारे में जो VARC में अब भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. ये समझते हैं कि 3 सबसे कॉमन मिस्टेक्स क्या हैं और वहीं से हमारा सोल्यूशन निकल के आएगा. सबसे पहला दोस्तों, रीडिंग पैसिवली. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जस्ट स्किम थ्रू द RC थिंकिंग that they will move into the problem solving part very very quickly and spend a lot of time there, while there is some logic in the thought process that you need to spend time while solving the problem, but reading is also important. CAT is not only about reading speed, it is also about some level of comprehension, and therefore getting the gist of what you are reading at a good pace is important. Even if you are 60-70% clear of the paragraph, you are capable of solving the problems by coming back to the paragraph. However, if you are reading passively, your comprehension is even lower than 30-40% and you are not able to even get the gist of the paragraph right. If you are not doing that right, then it's hardly possible to get those questions out of your way and get it correctly. That's number 1. Second important element is an emotional bias leading to desperate marking of the questions. What is this emotional bias? Many a times when our reading speed is slow, what we do is we attempt lesser number of RCs, putting a lot of pressure on us to effectively mark every single question in that reading comprehension. Imagine कर कि मैंने 2 RCs ही पढ़े and मेरे पास 8 questions आए. इसके अलावा VA में भी मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा attempts नहीं है. In that case, I am forced to mark all these 8 questions जो otherwise मैं mark नहीं करता. One important element to understand here is कि reading आपका reading speed improve करेगा and therefore आपके desperate attempts को minimize करने में help करेगा. Desperate attempts is something which we really need to minimize. An additional point which is very close to this is getting emotionally biased. Getting emotionally biased many a times causes a lot of accuracy issues because we superimpose our ideas on the top of the core idea which is mentioned in the paragraph by the author. Many a times we feel that we are putting in our own judgment rather than making it factual or inferential. That is very very important. In an RC, a fact or an inference is okay, but a judgment is not, and that is a very common mistake. Third important element or third big mistake is misjudging inference based questions. You would find a lot of inference based questions that are asked, whether it is double negation, whether it is negation based questions asking you about the inference of the paragraph, generally gets us stuck in 2 options out of 4. If you are not clear, then the right way to go is not mark that question. Remember, in a set of 4 questions, you typically have 1 easy, 1 or 2 moderate, 1 or 2 difficult problems. It's important to understand which one is difficult, and that is something which comes through practice. And therefore, it's okay to mark just 2 or 3 questions out of an RC and not mark all the 4. Remember, a topper generally goes through all 4 RCs, builds himself or herself up for reading all the 4 RCs, comprehending at a decent level like a 60-70% level, and then not attempting all the questions. Identifying the right questions is not just important in DILR but in VARC too. And therefore, with practice, you also have to understand if you are selecting the right problems or not. If an indirect problem actually lands you into trouble, it's absolutely okay to skip that for now and then later check as to what is it that you could have done in that scenario. Remember, all these 3 mistakes are very common, and if you start avoiding it from the next mock itself, then in the next 30 days you are bound to improve drastically in VARC. Needless to say, the reading exercise has to go on, and 40 minutes of daily reading slot in which you are reading 5 to 6 essays with 550 to 600 words and summarizing it also becomes of paramount importance. We hope that you improve, and if you believe that this helped, do make sure that you like, share and subscribe to the channel as well. Hoping that you would improve, and do let us know in the chat if you do. God bless. This is your friend and guide Sudhanshu signing off. God bless. Bye bye. Take care.